Hey guys, Josh here. I don't normally take a camera with me on service calls. As most of you know, if you've ever seen any of my content before, most of my content, I'm usually trying to share information and help homeowners through the process of buying a heating and air system. But yeah, so we're gonna go over here, got a no AC call. I think this customer is in a mobile home park. Mobile home systems are different than a conventional heat pump system that we see in a lot of homes, and so they have to be rated for high static applications. Usually they have some sort of mobile home electric or gas furnace meant for those high static small ductwork. And so anyway, we're going to go over here and see what they've got and hopefully get them straight, being that it is so late in the day. It's almost 5 o'clock, so a lot of the supply houses are either closed now or they're going to be closed soon. So hopefully it's something we can get them straight, at least get them some air for the night, and then go from there. We've had some pretty good weather lately. It took a while for the heat wave to get here, but it is here in Virginia. We're near the coast, near the Chesapeake Bay. So humidity is always a concern, and of course making sure that systems are operating efficiently is always a concern as well. So we've got some cornfields. I watch a lot of other heating and air guys stuff on the internet, you know, if they do a video and they'll have videos of them driving through the city and all this stuff, traffic. This is what we get to see on the way to some of our calls, which is nice. We're pulling into the mobile home park down here. So I'm going to turn the camera off for now, and we'll turn it back on in just a moment. So what's the unit doing? Is it not blowing at all, or is it blowing warm?
It's blowing cold, and it's cold. But we were smelling something burning, like wiring or plastic.
Okay.
So when you kick the unit on, I hear something going tss, tss. So
in the indoor or outdoor?
In the indoor.
Indoor, okay. Yeah. All right, what's the easiest way to get there?
Right here.
There's a capacitor hanging in here. Looks like it's seen better days.
Ain't nobody felt like it. We got generators out there.
We think we found the issue, and I'll show it to you in just a second.
Oh, I love you.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh. Feel the love. That's a capacitor. That's what starts the fan motor. And you can see that it's obviously seen better days. Well, what they do is they absorb, so when fan motors start or compressors, they absorb that initial spike in resistance of the electricity. The amperage jumps through the roof. Without those, they can't start.
Gotcha.
And so they're like windshield wipers on a car. As you can see, they do go bad from time to time. You did good by turning the system off. All right, I'll be right back.
Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Can I rub you? Oh, it's a good baby. Yeah. It's a good baby. Lucas, we've had a string of bad capacitors today.
Yes, we have. Listen.
You hear it?
Yeah, it's liquid inside.
Okay. Here's these. This is a friendly dog.
Very.
It says beware a dog, and she's couldn't be any sweeter.
Yeah.
This mobile home furnace, the furnace part, the below part, is definitely not 10 years old. I don't know how old it is. It's so old that I can't even read the labels on it. So, just letting you know, I'm not trying to scare you or anything. So in case somebody comes behind me and they're like, what in the world? What was he doing with all this duct tape? This insulation is starting to separate from the door, so I'm just trying to hold it.
When we did turn it off the other day, that was out there working.
Okay. It could be something minor. We'll take a peek at it.
All right.
The outdoor unit isn't working, so I don't know if it was just delayed or what was going on. But
Can I close windows?
that's what I was gonna say. Please close all your windows. All right, and then what do y'all leave your thermostat on usually?
73.
73.
Yeah.
All right, y'all are good to go.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You got 10 star?
No man.
I'll give you a 10 star.
All right, see y'all.
Thank you.
Oh, baby. Yeah.
All right, guys, we're wrapping up. Wasn't too bad of a call. If you had to pick, you want the easier ones in the evening. So got a capacitor replaced and batteries replaced in the thermostat. So in comparison, not too bad of a call. Those folks were really happy. So that's the real goal, right? Anyway, if you like this kind of content, you want me to do more with taking the camera out. I think somebody had commented last week and said, we want to see more videos of you out in the field. So I don't do a lot of videos like that. My videos are towards homeowners mostly, try to help them through purchasing a system, dealing with contractors, but you know, this is kind of fun too. It's a little different. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Take care.